many of you guys remember the Star Nebula projector? Not too long ago, I was probably say about 4, 6, or maybe a little bit longer than that, I did a review on this Star projector, and it has been one of my most viewed video here on the channel. And also has been one of our top sellers on Amazon as well. So I just want to say thank you for your support. Thank you for everyone that has purchased one of these Star projector. As you guys know, this is no news. I get a small commission every time you use my links to buy one of my products that I'm reviewing here on the channel. And I just want to say thank you for the support. It's very little, but it helps me here on the channel. So if you would like to continue to contribute to the channel, that's a way that you can do so. If you like a product that I'm reviewing, you can use that link and it helps me out a little bit. Another way you can help with this channel, if you want to contribute, is by subscribing and also by liking my videos. And also a new feature that YouTube just added not too long ago, it's a small little heart icon underneath the videos. And if you feel in your heart you want to contribute, you can press that button and it actually gives you the option to contribute and to support this channel. So I just want to say in advance thank you for your support, and thank you for everyone that has been subscribing here to the channel and also using my link. So anyways, the reason why I'm making this video is because I found another really cool projector, which is basically the same except with a different body. And that is this really cool alien nebula star projector. And this is it right here. So today what I'm going to do with this video is I'm going to go ahead and compare these two projectors, and I'm going to tell you the difference between them. And at the end, I'm going to tell you if I recommend this projector. So if you're interested in learning a little bit more about this new alien projector, don't change the channel and stay here with me. Alright guys, so right here we have our two projectors. So really quick, I just want to point out the main difference as far as the exterior of these projectors. Other than the side, this is actually about 12 inches tall, and this one is about 9 inches tall. The other main difference is the magnetic head on this one, which is kind of cool. This one allows you to rotate pretty much, point the projector almost anywhere. This one on the other hand works more like in regular action figures, using a kind of like a ball head where it connects to. You can rotate the head of the alien, and you can tilt a little bit as well. Not bad at all. They both have articulations on the hands, and that's about it. But the cool thing is that you have articulations on both of the projectors. The base on this astronaut right here, you can actually detach it from the base. The alien, on the other hand, you can't do that. This is basically all glued together. As far as the projector, this is the projector right here, and the laser is right here. The same with the other projector, the laser is right here. As far as the back, we pretty much have the same buttons. Right here, as you can see, we got the power button right here as well. So we got where you can control the nebula, and also where you can control the star. The same with this one as well. This is where you plug it in. It comes with a USB cable that you can plug into a phone adapter that is using 5 voltage. The projectors, they project the same thing, the nebula and the star. Everything is identical. Now, one thing that the alien does a little bit different, that is a little unique, is that you can actually turn on the eyes, which is really cool. So let's go ahead and give it a try and show you what that looks like. And here we go. That is actually really, really cool. So let me go ahead and turn off the lights really quick so you guys can see that. And here we go. Look at that. That is freaking cool. That is really, really nice. So with the remote control, you can actually turn that on and off. Pretty cool, right? The other thing is, I don't know if you noticed, but when I did power it on, it did make a sound effect. This one in particular is built-in speaker and also has a microphone. Now it doesn't function like you think it would. So I was hoping that it was kind of like a Bluetooth speaker where you can actually play music from your phone or that, but it doesn't work that way. So what it basically does, it does only two sounds. Let's say the power button on, it does that sound, and when you turn it off, it makes this other sound. So that's about it. The way the mic and the microphone or the speaker work is that it mimics what you say. So that's about it. That's basically what this projector does with the speaker and the microphone. I wish it would have done a little bit more, but that's basically it. So let's go ahead and do an example right here. So we're gonna get a little closer to the mic and we're gonna go ahead and turn on the microphone. And here we go. Hey, what's up guys? If this is your first time watching one of my videos, welcome to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe here to the channel. Thank you for watching, guys. I think they're missing an opportunity here. I think the speaker should have played some really cool, relaxing soundtrack, or maybe some alien atmosphere music. I think that would have been awesome. So I feel like they missed an opportunity here, and they gave us this option where it basically repeats what you say. So I'm not gonna use that. Maybe a kid will probably enjoy that. I'm not gonna use that. So that's pretty much about it. Everything else, like I mentioned before, is the same thing as our other projector. If you guys are interested, I'm just going to go ahead and point out to the other videos so you can watch it because it's the same thing. Now, one thing I want to point out is that the Nebula is actually brighter on the Alien, which is kind of cool. So if you're looking for one that can actually produce a little bit brighter, the Nebula and the Star, the laser, maybe it'll be the same, but as far as the Nebula, this one is a bit brighter. So something I want to point out. So if you do order this online, this is the box that it comes with. So this is the front right here, and right here is the side. Right here shows you some of the features. If you guys are interested, you can pause the video to check that out. And here's the back of the box, and here is the product information. If you're interested on that, go ahead and pause the video right here so you can check that out. All right, so when you order this, it will include a manual, instructions, very easy and basic to read. So again, similar as the other one. This one, like I mentioned before, it uses a power adapter like the one your cell phone uses, the 5 voltage. Okay, and it does not include one of these, so you have to use the one on your phone. And also included is a remote control, which is the same remote control as the astronaut projector, except with a few different buttons. As far as the USB cable is included, it's a USB-A. Now, really cool way that you can use this, you can plug it in, but if you want a little bit more freedom, you can actually use a power bank like this one. I bought this one for maybe 20, but I think you can find this one for maybe a lot less. I'm gonna leave a link in the description if you're interested. And it connects to it and you can power it on using a power bank. So this gives you freedom if you want to take this to a different place in the house where you don't have a place to connect it, or even if you want to go maybe outside and you have some kind of tent or something, it gives you a little bit of freedom. The cool thing about this power bank is that it gives you percentage. So battery life, it lasts very long. I've been doing this, or I've been shooting already for a couple hours, and it's still at 93%, which is not bad at all. So that's pretty cool, something else that you can do. So I also want to answer 2 questions that people have been asking me on the other projector. And the first one is it battery built in? No, it's not battery built in. So if you plug it in, it's not going to charge because there's no battery. But like I mentioned, you can use a power bank and it works perfect. The second one is people are having problems when they want to, let's say, turn off the stars and they just want to leave the nebula, or the other way around, they want to go ahead and turn off the nebula and just have the stars. So let's say I want to turn off just the star. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold the start button for a couple seconds. 1, 2, 3. You hold it for about 3 seconds and it powers off the stars. As simple as that. Now let's say you want to do the other way around. So I'm going to press the star once to activate that. Let's say you want to turn off the nebula. Same thing, you hold the nebula button for 3 seconds and it powers off and you only have the stars, which is really cool. So pretty cool. And again, if you want to turn it back on, you press the nebula button and it's back on. As simple as that. Alright guys, so we have reached the end of this video, but before I end this video, just want to go over the cons and the pros of these projectors. I'm going to go ahead and start by saying that I love almost everything about this projector. So as far as the actual projecting the nebula and the star, this thing is awesome. If you don't own one, you have to get one because they're so cool, especially if you just want to relax or just want to create that atmosphere for that party, that event, or just to go to sleep. This is actually really cool. The one thing I had to point out that I really like that the other one doesn't have is the LED lights. This is really cool. I like the shape, I like the skull, it looks amazing. I like the way the hands are posed, kind of like he's coming after you, like he's gonna get you. So overall, I'm very happy. The one thing I had to point out that I feel like they miss an opportunity is the speaker on this alien projector. I think it should have given you the option, kind of like a Bluetooth speaker where you can actually play your music from your phone. And if that's maybe too expensive or maybe the cost is too much, then maybe you could have just used the speaker just to create some atmosphere of music or have some really cool soundtracks that go with the nebulas and the star. I think that would have been amazing. And even if the price had to go a little bit higher, I think people would have paid the extra money just to be able to not only create the atmosphere visually but also with sound and music. I think that would have been amazing. I'm not sold on the mimicking and repeating what you're saying. Maybe for kids that's kind of cool, but for an adult I don't see myself using it, and I don't think I see other adults using that feature. So but other than that, I have to say this is actually a well-built product that I can highly recommend. So if you guys are interested, as always, I'm gonna leave a link in the description and no additional cost to you. You can use that link and it helps me out here a little bit on the channel. So I just wanna say thank you in advance for your support. If you're interested in learning a little bit about our other projector, I'm also going to leave a link in the description so you can check out the review on this one as well. So anyways guys, as always, thank you for watching and don't forget to like this video, and if you're new here to the channel and you like what you're seeing, don't forget to subscribe. I guess I will see you guys next year. Take care guys, bye.